Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uba Charles Marngar MLA bad MDC ke Mawhati Constituency haringkat kinong yalam bahkmat jong seng Kongres na Mawhati Constituency haka khandre tarik nailar ajar pesau kilalet yekendu yu Myntri Rangbah kejela ukon rat ke sama hayeng sa jong u nak benta bandawa ki katu ni ki kampenrai ki ba Sahteng haka Constituency. Hadian kecil kendu bakran syakilap pathai kubor nak liang uba Charles Marngar ulayat hu ba ulayok ban Pynsngew bat dawa na Myntri Rangbah ban pen urlong no iki kampenrai ki badang Sahteng ke baki pai ba nong shong shnong ke Mawhati Constituency kila angnut pada ki pausnam. Kita ki kampenrai ki kenthop nak benta ban aino ya ke Community and Rural Development Block ban shna pen bhano iki surok ki badang Sahteng ki ba kenthop ya ke surok umtrai ke surok na sonidan hadu siang ke ba 20 kilometer ke surok na laper hadu limpuj bat ke surok na retiang hadu maurong nang taban penkiu kerdan no ya ke maurong sub center bat ya ke sonidan sub center ya ke PHC bat ban ajing arab ya ki pratri gishnong haka than block 2 ki bampat don school. Halor kita kijing dawa jong MLA bat MDC ke Mawhati nakaliang Myntri Rangbah bakran bat kinong dum kubor ulet hu banalor kini kijing dawa nakaliang ke sorkar keladap ban pen krek ban pen urlong kamtam habede bat ke Mawhati CNRD block kijing pen krek kiladang ya chakmat bat habede bat ki pratli gishnong ki bampat don school an ajing arab lingba ke Chief Minister Special Fund ke balamang mar pralak tingka ya ke gishnong.
Kejingwan kendu jongi ya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma hagalik step nagaliang jonga kum MLA jonga Mawhati Constituency ringkat bat kinong yalam jonga Constituency Prokowe iwan hangni idon katuk nit ligi demand nak benda ke development of Constituency kawai ka demand ka ba kladai kawai ka long pending demand hakaba nakaliang ke jonga por bangalong MDC haka sautrik jong banai Agos jong senem araja apwe kladep banuan bani kutu ya minister badai pe ya kesin ardi ku por dong long iba hamlet dole dengkat ki senjuk ki Rangbah shnong jong ke Mawhati area jong ke Sonidan area bat kiwai nang tadi kaderu kadiman haka ba katu ka netli ki NGO ro apa ke Constituency ke jonga kila dimani kane ken mau ke HYC la diman bat kilawan sangaru bat arsnem mensua nakaliang ke FKJJP ru kilawan ban diman ya kan dikasin ade blok omtang hak sorkan re kilawan ban kenduru yang anak takane bat kawai ka bakam ka banga ngahap ban nyokor ya kadi ka diman kajing kwa kajing angnut jong kipai ba jong ka Constituency bandon no la ka jong Community and Rural Development lane ka CNRD block Mawhati di kejingwan kendu jongi menda kasi kadai ga demand halor kene dingi sokomen hadu kata ba nakaliang jong Chief Minister ulak kulari kene la sanction hero ye kene ikut ke office work kilaya menta sanction ye kene ulak itu yangi bat ba shen hien saban banano ia kene kasin arti block dingi penpau kejing sokomen ke kraw nak benda ka kejing ailap ke jong open di kendu bangi hak bede kasian arti block nang tadi kawai pat ke ba kwa ban penpau haga bede kasian arti block ki kijing mentoy ki banging yo ladang yo ki kasian arti block kijing mentoy ke bangin yo ladang yo kasian arti block kade ban pensuk ya ki pai ba namar pi balai ngong ta nado na siang kumba arpho tam teligi snong ki hapan wan sedu sning kejing jengai ke distance ke ba prapho kilometer urang ba snong teng bapli kabai kali umdan uhaban mana sedu sning ban reserve ke kali nang tade ki pension teman ki skim yang bedok nang ta ki skim hag bede ba kini ki skim kam sis pas ni bat kiwai ki jengon kam nama pi ka kasiana di blok ni kadai ke badil man la kesngi bat ki pai ba tikane kala bu jing ya sha balada kane ka urlong sisa kumbang lai keren menta kesngi bat ngampar tinru bondong ba kala urlong hi kan urlong hi na kejingkran ke jong Chief Minister kan long sisa ke jingkerku ya ke Constituency hi baru koi kata kadai koi mat ka baar pi ngi la habang ilawan ban ni kendo ngila bu do sa koi mat bat kata kalong ha ka bai dai bat usurok intermediate lane ubadangsa na Sonidan shadu sha umsian haka bai dai bat uniro So kemen bana kaliang ke jong chief minister ni long positif pan jawab ikene bat ngi mata tin ni eru am kum balong ke jinge keren hak ni sngi imat ngin nom slam ban yo no suro nasuni dan shadu usyang kabadang sa kum sau ko kilometer ko weiru kamat ke balai ke bangi ngi wan hang ni kalong ban yu thuru yaki ki babun ma ki suro jinge hakalet kawan Hapoh Constituency namla banjir lo dang ni dari kum ka maurung lo dari ko wei no suruk wala ta palat ya kelik kawan hakaba ngila de ban ye lumro ya ki Rangbah snong jong ka maurung ro na ka banta ban penyo no ini suruk ding ni thu ipi hoi uladon hakalis jong ka PMJSY phase 3 khat new kilometer nang ta de suruk pamlatar nadu ka por ka pa ilong MLA ba jekedor phang hadu mentangim 4 yo pra kilometer nang ta de suruk napo umlaper shelempoi khat riu kilometer nang ta kawi ka patmai ka badon hakan les jong ka PMJSY phase 3 ka badai namaulas nai sha kedo ati arpo kilometer kini kita ki mat ki ba nam ta suruk bat ki wi ro ki suruk ki balong internal road bat ki wi ki ba connect na ka wi snong sha ka wi snong kini kita ki bang yuan bani kra matang singi ka ba bot PUE batang shen kadang suan nang tena po blok tu na kita kisnong laper mat tentlej hi sted ta ten ki ka wei ka basosi kalong ba hadu bata idang don kisnong ki bom patong sko de nasu kamen hadu ka tai ke jing gendo yu chief minister ka tentang singi bana kaliang ka jong ula ai ka assurance ula ai hakmat tang jonga hakmat ki leader ki jonga na po ka constituency but immediately once shim iki steps pan le no ye kini ki schools popli ki ba mat iki jinge ki ba don ki snong ki bom padon school ki bolong ki bangala banong school less village ki bom padon school ki don ki snong ki padon school break school building kim da kene kede ko way ka mat ka bang ra ban ye kran de sa sisin na kaleng jongang pan pa bu jong aku play chum stable ai por nga ba ki nong yalam jongi na po ko constituency pada kejingkerman ke baskam bagi ne barok kin urlong kumba nakaliang chief minister ulak-ulak next kawai ke banga komplet kawai de ki PHC upgradation of sub-center to PHC hang ne hingala mention tang artli bat kini ki artli ki bangala mention ki dei ki balak don kampala Mawhati ni don tang kawai ke PHC nang tu kawan chaduk syam try te kala ide ke por based on population ke jingdon brew kala ide ke por hakabangin yo no sakaway ke PHC hasunida kaniro la de ban ai de memorandum cho chief minister pat ka baar kaniro kalong top priority hakabangin la de ban yo no ya ke PHC primary health center hangte Hapoh maurong pan upgradation ya ke sub center maurong syaka maurong PSC ini kita bangi labu teh ka bade ba kaniru kaniru CM ular berbaik bani penwatnya namar pa kidon ki guidelines haban basic ka population pat kum ta ter kandun ka survey ba kum ta ter nagaleng junga pa bu ci komen ha bade ba kaniru namar pa positive response nagaleng tu.
Today a delegation from Mawhati constituency has met me, which was headed by the local MLA from Mawhati, Charles Malanga, and many leaders from Mawhati constituency. And they had shared with me the different needs of Mawhati constituency, explaining to me that how currently the constituency is divided into two different blocks which are quite far away, one in Bhoirambong area and one is in Pynsngew, and in some areas people have to even travel over 80 kilometers to reach the block headquarter, which is very difficult and challenging for the people and also for the government to be able to provide proper service to the grassroots people. So on basis of that, the Honorable MLA Charles and his leaders have requested if a new CNRD block can be constructed in or can be sanctioned for Mawhati area, and this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new CNRD block in Mawhati so that the people can get better service and access to the different schemes of the government through this new Mawhati CNRD block. At the same time, there was a request for the Sonidan to Umsiang Road, which is again a very important connectivity for the people. On this front also, I have given assurance that there is the new package of the World Bank is coming up. In that package, I have assured the people of Mawhati area that this particular road under the new World Bank sanction will be taken up. Already it is in the list, in fact, and the DPR is being prepared. At the same time, there are certain areas where there are schools that are required, especially areas which are schoolless right now. And those village names were given, about 7 or 8 of them. I have assured the delegation that through my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund, I will be sanctioning a certain amount so that these school buildings can be constructed. So it was a very positive meeting. I have seen that Mawhati constituency has been neglected a lot. There's not enough development in the past, and therefore a lot needs to be done. And I'm sure now with the active role that the local MLA is playing, we will be able to see much more development coming into the constituency of Mawhati. Thank you very much.